This Easter egg coaster tutorial is an easy way to use up some small leftover scraps of fabric. Simply choose some colorful scraps, sew them together, and use these coasters as a fun Easter decoration idea. So start by arranging your fabric scraps for some kind of Easter egg design. You can arrange your scraps however you want to sew them together. I like to use white at the top and bottom to make it look a little bit more like an egg, but at this stage you can design your Easter egg however you like it. Now you want to cut out your Easter egg pieces. Then layer the front interfacing batting and back of the Easter egg together and sew them all around the perimeter. Now you want to add double fold bias tape to the outside of the egg. This will cover up all of the raw edges. And there you have it, you're already finished. You have a cute little Easter egg coaster that will be great decoration for Easter season for your mugs and cups.